you're experiencing frame stuttering in CS2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce or eliminate stuttering issues. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in CS2. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help increase your frame rate and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and end tasks that are not needed while playing. This will free up CPU and memory resources for CS2. Step 4. Check for overheating. Monitor your system temperatures to ensure that your CPU and GPU are not overheating. Use software tools to check temperatures and consider cleaning your hardware or improving AFO if temperatures are too high, as overheating can lead to performance issues. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Set your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select the High Performance plan. This setting can help ensure that your hardware is running at its full potential while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering in CS2. Regularly maintain your system and keep your software updated for the best gaming experience.